Hari Om. Hello everyone, I am Shri Jyoti. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is of class 10 mathematics, chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. In our previous classes, we have already studied about linear equations in one variable, two variables and their graphs, right? So here in this chapter, we will study pair of linear equations in two variables and various methods to find the solutions. Okay, so here in this chapter we will study how to find the solutions of linear equations in two variables, two unknowns, okay, using various methods. Okay, so first of all, let's take a linear equation in one variable, that is 5x plus 6 is equal to 7. Okay, it's a linear equation in one variable, that is x. Okay, that is unknown value, unknown variable x. So here, what is the solution? So what is the solution here? Here 5x is equal to, take 6 here, so 7 minus 6, that is 1, x is equal to 1 by 5, right? So x is equal to 1 by 5 is the solution of this equation. See, what is the solution? See, solution is nothing but 0, 0 of the polynomial, right? See, 5x plus 6 minus 7, it's a polynomial. It is equal to 0, then it becomes equation. Right? So, solution of the equation, 0 is nothing but solution to the equation. Okay? So, here, solution is nothing but, it's a 0 which satisfies this equation. Right? See here, if you substitute x is equal to 1 by 5, you will get the 7. Right? Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 5 is the solution of this equation. Right? Okay. Now, here in this chapter, we will study linear equations in two variables. Right? So, linear equation in two variable is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here, a and b not equal to 0. Okay? And a, b, c are real numbers, okay. So a linear equation in two variables is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. For example, 3x minus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0, or minus 8x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. So these are the linear equations in two variables. Two variables, that is x and y. Okay, two variables are x and y, unknown variables. Okay, so here, see, first of all, let's consider only this equation. When x is equal to 2, what is the value of y here? What is the value of y? Substitute x 3 into 2 minus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0. That implies 4y, take 4y right side. So here 6 plus 9, that is 15 is equal to 4y. So y is equal to 15 divided by 4. See here, when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 15 by 4, right? So 2 15 by 4 is a solution of this equation. Okay, 2 15 by 4 is a solution of this equation. That means this point satisfies this equation. That is, see, if you substitute x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 15 by 4, you will get 0 is equal to 0. Okay, if you substitute it here, you will get right side, it will be 0. That means this point satisfy the equation. Okay, so that is called a solution. Okay, look at this question, CBSE 2019 question. Say, find the value of a so that the point 3a lies on the line represented by 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. See, a point lies on the line. See, suppose it is the line 2x minus 3y. Okay, and point 3y is equal to 5. Okay, a point lies on the line. Okay, anywhere on the line. a point lies, this point is 3a. This point lies on the line means this point satisfies this equation. Right? That is 3a satisfies this equation. See, you should understand the concept. See, a point lies on the line means that point should satisfy the equation. That is, if you substitute 3 x is equal to 3 and y is equal to a, you should get 5. Okay. So here it is given that the point 3a lies on the line represented by 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. That is 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. That is, what is the point? 3a, right? So 2 into 3 minus 3 into a is equal to 5. Okay, because since this point lies on the line, the point should satisfy the equation. Okay, that means this point is the solution of this equation. Okay, so here for that you just substitute x is equal to 3. Here we need to find the value of a, right? So substitute x is equal to 3 and y is equal to a. So 6 minus 3a is equal to 5. So take 3a right side. Take 5 left side, 6 minus 5 is equal to 3a. That implies 3a is equal to 1. That implies a is equal to 1 by 3. Value of a is 1 by 3. Look at the next example. Draw the graph of the equation, linear equation y minus x is equal to 2. Okay. Linear equation in two variables. Okay, y minus x is equal to 2. So here we have to draw the graph. So for that we have to plot the points, right? So let's take values of x and y. We will substitute x values, okay, different values of x corresponding y values, okay. So here x is equal to, suppose x is equal to 0, what is y? When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, right? Substitute x is equal to 1, y is 3, right? Y is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. And when x is equal to minus 1, minus into minus 1 plus 1. So y is equal to 1. Right? That is y minus minus 1 is equal to 2. So y plus 1, take right side. When we take it right side, it will be 2 minus 1. That is 1. Okay. So here when x is equal to minus 2, y minus minus 2. So y plus 2 is equal to 2. So y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Okay, it's enough. Now let's plot the points. Here when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Okay, it is the point 0, 2. Okay, and when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. It is the point. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. It is the point. When x is equal to minus 1, when x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1. When x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 0. It is the point minus 2, 0. Okay. Now, let's join these points. So, it is the straight line of the equation y minus x is equal to 2. Okay, it is the required graph of the given linear equation y minus x is equal to 2. So, all these points, that is, here it is minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 2, 0, 0, 2 and 2, 4, 2, 4, okay, 1, 3, it is 1, 3, it is 1, 3, it is 2, 4 are the solutions of the linear equation y minus x is equal to 2. Okay. Next is graphical representation of pair of linear equations in two variables. We know that graph of linear equation in two variables is a straight line. So graph of pair of linear equations in two variables are two straight lines. Okay, so its graph, in this graph two lines taken together. Okay, So this graph will be either two lines will be intersect at a point, okay, or two lines will be parallel, or two lines will be coincident, that is they overlap each other. That is, one of these three possibilities can happen, okay. So here by this graph we can say the features of solutions or behavior of solutions, okay. Now if two lines intersect at a point, then we say two, that is pair of linear equations in two variables, that is linear equations have only one solution. Suppose it is the point AB, then we say AB is the solution, that is only one solution of given system of linear equations, okay. That is there is only unique solution. Remember, if two lines intersect at a point, then there is unique solution for the given system of linear equations, okay. So such a linear equations are called consistent linear equations. And in this case, if two lines are parallel, then see there is no x and y which are satisfy the both equations, linear equations, okay. That means there is no solution because it does not intersect, okay. They don't intersect each other. So here in this graph we can say this linear equations, pair of linear equations have no solutions, okay. Such a linear equations are called inconsistent linear equations, okay. And third case, in this case, see if the lines overlap each other, then we can say there are many solutions, okay. That is linear equations have many solutions. Now let's go through an example, an important question. Solve graphically the pair of linear equations 3x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 21 is equal to 0. Find the coordinate of the vertices of triangular region formed by these lines and x-axis. Also calculate the area of the triangle. Okay, see here, first of all, let's find this one. Solve the given linear equations. Pair of linear equations. So that means we will find the solutions of this pair of linear equations using graph. So we have to draw the graph. First equation 3x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. To draw the graph we have to plot the points, right? So here let's take x and y values. See, first of all let's put x is equal to 0. If we put x is equal to 0, here we will get y as a fraction, right? So it is better to take the integers, okay, to plot the points. It is better to take the integers. Therefore, see here we can put x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3, see 9 plus 3, 12. 12 is a multiple of 4, so that we will get y as integer, right? So x is equal to 3. What is y? 9 plus 3, that is 12. So minus 4y is equal to, take 12 right side. So minus 12, y is equal to 3. Right? So y is also 3. Next, let's put y is equal to 0. We will get 3x is equal to minus 3. That is x is equal to minus 1. It's okay. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. Now, 2 points are enough. Okay. So let's plot the points. 3, 3, 3, 3, that is when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3, and minus 1, 0. Now join these points and draw the straight line. So it is the line 3x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. And next equation, linear equation is 3x plus 4y minus 21 is equal to 0. Here also let's find the points. When x is equal to 0, here also we will get y as a fraction, and here put x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, 9. 9 minus 21, that is 12. Okay, so minus 12, it is a multiple of 4, therefore we can put x is equal to 3. What is y? See, 9 minus 21 is minus 12. So 4y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 3. It's also 3. Okay. Next, put y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Then what we will get? 3x is equal to 21. That is x is equal to 7. Now plot these points. 3, 3, same point, this one. And 7, 0. 7, 0. It is the point. Now join these lines and draw the line. Okay, join these points and draw the line. So here, see, it is the triangular region. Okay, now first of all, let's find the solution. See, these two lines intersect at a point. Okay, see, at a point, what is this point? 3, 3. These two lines intersect each other at a point 3, 3. Therefore, this 3, 3 is a solution. It is the solution of given pair of linear equations 3x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 21 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3, 3 is the solution. Solution of the given pair of linear equations. Okay, now next question. Come to the next question. Here, find the coordinate of the vertices of triangular region. See, it is the triangular region. And we have to find the vertices. Okay, see, these are the vertices. First one, second one, third one. Okay, now this vertex is nothing but, see, it is x coordinate 7, y coordinate 0, right? And it is the point 3, 3. This one, minus 1, 0. Right? So the coordinate vertices are minus 1, 0, 3, 3, 7, 0. Next is we have to find the area of this triangle. We have vertices. Using these vertices, we have to find the area of this triangle. We know that area of the triangle is nothing but, that is 1 by 2 into height of the triangle into base of the triangle. Right? So here how to find the height? See, it is the height. Okay. So here, what is this point? What is the length? It is the point 3, 3. Right? That means it is 3 and this length is also 3. Right? The length is 3 units. And divided by base. See, base is this one. Distance of this one. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry. From here, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8 units. Base is 8 units. So here area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into, that is height. Height into base. So here what is the height? Height is 3 units and base is 8 units. That is equal to 12 square units. Show graphically that system of equations has infinitely many solutions. System of equations, x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 6y is equal to 15. Here equation is, okay, x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 6y is equal to 15. Okay, first of all, let's draw the graph here. For that we have to plot the points, right? So let's find the values of x and y. See, if we put x is equal to, we will get y is equal to a fraction. So it is better to take the integers. So here we can put x is equal to 1. So when we take x is equal to 1 here, so it will be 4. 4 is a multiple of 2, right? So here that is 2y is equal to 5 minus 1, 4, y is equal to 2. Okay. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Next, put y is equal to 0. We will get x is equal to 5. Okay. Next, here also, if we put x is equal to 0, we will get y a fraction. So, put x is equal to 1. Yeah. When x is equal to 1, see, 6y is equal to 15 minus 3, that is 12. So, y is equal to 2. Okay. So, y is equal to 2. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. Right? 3 5s are 15. Now, let's plot the points. Here, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. It is the point. 5, 0. When x is equal to 5, y is 0. It is the point. Okay. Now, let's join these points and draw the line. So, it is the line x plus 2y is equal to 5. Next is, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. It is the same point, right? It is the same point. And 5, 0. Same thing, 5, 0. So, here it is the same line, right? Same line. So, here, see, these two lines are coincident each other, right? These two lines coincident each other. That means this system of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. Okay? These are many solutions. These are the, see, these all points are the solutions. Okay? These all the points which satisfies both the equations. Therefore, this system of linear equations have infinitely many solutions because these two lines coincident each other. Two lines, that is, two lines coincident each other. So, given linear equations, given system of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. Many solutions. All these points lying on this line are solutions of these equations. Form a pair of linear equations in two variables using the following information and solve it graphically. 5 years ago, Sagar was twice as old as Thiru. 10 years later, Sagar's age will be 10 years more than Thiru's age. Find their present ages. See, it is nothing but we have to find the solutions of the linear equations. Linear equations are not given. See, according to the given information, we have to find the linear equations. Okay. So, here we have to find the present age of Sagar and Thiru, right? So, here this information is about ages of Sagar and Thiru, right? So, here let x be present age of Sagar and let y be present age of Thiru. Okay, then it is given that 5 years ago, see 5 years ago, what was the age of Sagar? X minus 5, right? And what was the Thiru's age? Y minus 5, right? It is given Sagar's age was twice as old as Thiru when 5 years ago. So, x minus 5 is equal to 2 into y minus 5. So, it is the first equation. That is x minus 2y minus 10, that is plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Next equation, for that it is given Sagar's age will be, see 10 years later, okay, after 10 years, see after 10 years, what will be the Sagar's age? X plus 10. Now his age is x years, okay. So after 10 years, x plus 10. And Thiru's age will be y plus 10. And the relationship between their ages, Sagar's age will be 10 years more than Thiru's age. Sagar's age will be 10 years more than Thiru's age. Okay. Now it is the equation. Here 10 cancelled. This implies x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we have got two linear equations in two variables. After that, okay, we have to find the solution. That means values of x and y using graph. So we have to draw the graph, and so before that we have to plot the points. So let's find the values of x and y. Here if we put x is equal to 0, we will get y as fraction. So it is better to put x is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to 1 minus 2y is equal to 1 plus 5, 6. Take 6, right side, it will be minus 6. So y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5. Okay, next this one, x, y. Put x is equal to, okay, 0. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 10. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 10. Now plot these points. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. Let's take somewhere here 1, 3. Okay, this point. And minus 5, 0. Minus 5, 0, this point. Okay, now let's join these 2 points. Okay, after that x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 10. Y is equal to minus 10, this point. Okay, and x is equal to 10, y is equal to 0, this point. Okay, and join these 2 points. Here, see, these 2 lines are not parallel and not coincident each other, right? Therefore, these 2 lines intersect somewhere. Okay, intersect at a point. But that we have to find. See, you are drawing in the graph in graph paper, right? So there the scale is the same, right? So here my scale is not same. So there you can see these 2 lines intersecting at a point. Okay, so you can find what is the point, in which point these 2 lines intersect each other. Okay, see here. Now for that, see here we will find, put x is equal to 25. Okay, you can see in graph paper you can understand what is the value of x and value of y, where the graph, that is 2 lines intersect each other. Okay, so here put x is equal to 25. What we will get? Y here, 25 plus 5, 30. So 2y is equal to 30. So that is y is equal to 15. Okay, so y is equal to 15. And here in this equation, put x is equal to 25. 25 minus 10, 15. So y is equal to 15. Okay, so x is equal to 25, y is equal to 15. The same points. Okay, so here in this point, these 2 lines intersect each other. So here, okay, it is the point. So here in this point, these 2 lines intersect each other. Okay, therefore what is the solution? The solution is nothing but 25, 50. 25, 50. X is equal to 25, y is equal to 50. So here, what's our question? Find their present ages. That is, age of Sagar is 25 and age of Thiru is 15. Okay, age of Sagar is 25 and age of Thiru is 15 years. Okay, 25 years and 15 years.